My name is Shasta. I'm kidding. My name is Shasta. I just built a Tesla coil, and I'm using 21 volts. And if you see here, it works because of Tesla's invention. Wireless power with plasma. Isn't that sweet, Caroline? Bum, bum, bum.
Keep on doing that, and I'll show you the... Now move the light away.
Oh, watch this. Oh, oh. And if you put it like right next to the coil, it is so sweet. It's so bright. It's almost like it's made for this. Wait a minute, it is! And then this is a low power LED. Still lights up too. Even if you put it in here. But really, it works like that. Did you just see that spark? It's because it just burnt off the coating of the wire.